For today, we'll be talking about models of blended learning. There are six models of blended learning. The first one is face-to-face driver model. Number two is rotation model. Number three is flex model. Number four is online lab model. Number five is self-blended model. And the last one is online driver model. This picture just illustrates some of the six models and how they've been illustrated. So blended learning can be grouped into six distinct models that vary by teacher roles, physical space, delivery methods, and scheduling. However, as new versions of blended learning are developed, the relationships between these models will evolve. Presented below is a preliminary classification of blended learning models currently in use. So this is something available right now. It may increase or decrease in the future. Some of the models might be blended together to be 5, 4, or it might become 6, 7, 8, or increased depending on the needs and the ways they are used. So let's go to them one by one. The first one, face-to-face driver model. This is a soft approach to blended learning. The lecture will always be in person. An individual teacher will add content online to support the curriculum. For example, in class lectures are supported by supplementary lectures and virtual world activities found online. So the teacher is going to present the lecture in person inside the class, and then he can add more materials to the lecture that he has presented. Number two is rotation model. The rotation model is a fixed schedule of in-classroom and online instruction. It alternates between an in-classroom lecture supported by online study and an online lecture with supporting classroom activities. For example, in week 1, students will have face-to-face lectures and activities will be online. In week 2, students will watch online lectures and the classroom will be used for activities. So this is a rotation model. Just we have rotations between week 1 and week 2. In week 1, a group of activities are done, and in week 2 there are going to be some online materials and vice versa. So this is a rotation model. Just we are going to have a set of activities on one hand and another set of activities on the other hand. Model number 3 is flex model. Students learn primarily online while the classroom is used for only technical support. So all the materials are online. If students face any technical problems, they can come back to the classroom to get the technical support that they need. Number 4, the fourth model is called lab model. So courses are taught fully online but supervised by an adult in the physical classroom. So all the materials are online. There is a teacher in the class supervising how the materials are delivered and how students are doing. So there is one person doing the monitoring of how the materials are delivered. The fifth model is self-blend model. In self-blend model, students take extra courses online. This is common for students wanting to take advanced courses for college or at-risk students who need extra coursework to graduate. So this is a self-blend model. So in this one, the students take extra courses online if they need, for example, extra marks, or they want just to have to get advanced courses for college and so on. The last but not the least is called online driver model. So this is also taught fully online. It's self-paced with teachers checking on in with the student and provide support on when needed. So this is completely online. A teacher is available if the student faces any problem, anything. They can resort back to the teacher and the teacher can give them the support that they need. We can go back to the diagram presented here. It's the same thing, but just explained with some images, illustrations. Just we see for face to face, just we see that an image is given that the students are available face to face in the class. So a physical teacher employs online learning in a technology lab or the back of the classroom to support. In the rotation, within a given course, students rotate on a fixed schedule between self-paced online learning and sitting in a classroom with a face-to-face teacher. Here we need to explain what's meant by self-paced and self-paced. We've got a program, a schedule, a curriculum that all the materials are online. The students are going to, for example, to take the courses. For example, it might be are divided into 4 or 5 different parts. Students have to finish each part before going to the next one. So they need to finish one, then two, then three, and so on. So this is called self-paced. It is divided into different stages. The third one is called Flex. So this is an online platform. An online platform delivers most of the curriculum. Teachers provide on-site as needed support through in-person tutoring or small group sessions. So all the materials in Flex are online. Teachers are available just to give technical support to the students. In the online lab, an online platform delivers the entire course, but in a brick and mortar location. Often students who participate in an online lab program also take traditional courses. So this is an online lab plus having the traditional courses. We've got self-blend. Students choose to take remote online courses to supplement their school's traditional curriculum. So besides having their traditional school curriculum, students can have extra materials taken online. So this model of blended learning is extremely popular among high school students. The last one was Online Driver, an online platform and teacher deliver all the curriculum. Students work remotely and face-to-face check-ins are either available or are mandatory. This is going to be for this week's lecture. See you for the coming lecture. Bye-bye.